Hey there, are you a first-time home buyer in Ontario? Well, congrats. This is a huge milestone. But I know it can feel overwhelming, especially with these prices here in Ontario, Canada. But when it comes to getting a mortgage, that's where I come in. My name is Arash Gone Farahani, and I'm here to help you as a first-time homebuyer with understanding the process of obtaining a mortgage, getting approved, and saving money along the way. The key question that many first-time homebuyers ask is, what can I afford? Well, that's a great question. And step one is figuring out exactly that. It all depends on your income, your credit, and your down payment. The more you put down, the better your options become. The next step is to work on getting you pre-approved. That way, when you're shopping for your home, you know what your price point is. It also shows sellers that you're serious and it locks you into a rate, monthly payment, and a budget. This helps you with your house hunting process. The third step is understanding the costs involved. You'll have closing costs, legal fees, and inspections. But good news, there are rebates for first-time homebuyers, like the Land Transfer Tax Refund or the RRSP Homebuyers Plan. I'll help you to access those. Now, finalizing your mortgage and closing steps. Well, if you have put an offer and it's been accepted, that's the best news that you can hear. We'll finalize your mortgage and get you through the paperwork process and get you those closing keys. Now, will you want to make this process even easier? Well, I've created a guide for you and it's available to download in the link below. Or you can scan the QR code on the screen and it will bring you directly to My Mortgage Toolbox, where you can access information pertaining to your potential home mortgage. Over there, you can also fill out an application which allows you to understand the costs and the mortgages available to you based on your down payment. Now, if you're ready to buy your first home, or if you just feel like you want to be prepared, let's connect. DM me and let's get you house hunting. I look forward to working with you and I look forward to helping you get your first home.